talk about how can you fix this problem on your Max app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here, then here you're looking for Max app or just click on search, then here add Max app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here, click on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store, then here you search for Max app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates, click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.